welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is thanatos. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is thanatos. In English, thanatos means death. For the ancient Greeks, death was the ultimate end, an unescapable reality. But for us Christians, we proclaim a greater truth. Christ has conquered death. And St. Paul says in 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 26, I'd like to read it. Eskatos, echtros, katargetai, ho thanatos. The last enemy to be destroyed is death. And in Romans chapter 6, verse 9, we hear, we know that Christ, raised from the dead, dies no more. Death no longer has power over him. Yan, thanatos, kamatayan. At mula dito sa salitang ito, thanatos, we have thanatology. Ano ito? The study of death. And then we even have the mythological figure, thanatos. But for us, death is not just a biological fact. It is a theological truth. Nangyayari ito. It reminds us of the victory of Easter, the promise that death is no longer master over us. Kaya para sa ating mga Kristiyano, malalim yung ibig sabihin nitong salitang ito para sa ating pamumuhay, para sa ating buhay pananampalataya. It calls us to respond with conviction and action. This is the challenge. How do we live this word today in our discipleship? Do we face death with fear or with hope rooted in the resurrection? Do we allow the reality of our mortality to inspire us to live more fully, more faithfully, and more lovingly each day? Friends, death is not the end. It is the defeated enemy of Easter, transformed into the doorway to eternal life. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.